Hello dear viewers, welcome back to the Odoo 18 functional tutorials by TechUltra Solutions. In today's video, we will delve into an exciting concept in the manufacturing module, which is the mass production. Now, mass production refers to the manufacturing of large quantities of standardized products. This method leverages advanced machinery, automation, and assembly lines to streamline the processes and achieve high efficiency. The primary objective of mass production is to optimize the operations, minimize production cost, and achieve a lower cost per unit while maintaining consistent quality across all the products. Now, to get started with the mass production Odoo 18, the first step is to enable the mass production scheduling feature within the manufacturing module's configuration settings. So, for that, navigate to the manufacturing module in your Odoo database, and you're in the settings, search for production and activate the feature and ensure the changes are saved. So let's get started and see how mass production works. So let's assume you have received a request to manufacture the product named wooden table in bulk for a customer. Now, with the mass production feature enabled, you can streamline the process by setting up a bill of material for the product, specifying the required components and quantities. So, let's create the product wooden table in our database. So, for that, I'm quickly opening my inventory module here. And here in the products menu, click on products, click on new to create a new product. Here I'm creating a product name as wooden table. Here in the track inventory, I'm tracking it by unique serial number. Here in the inventory tab, you need to make sure two routes are enabled. One is the MTO replenish on order and the manufacture one. Through these routes, when we will create a sales order for the customer, a manufacturing order will be triggered. So that's why we need to enable these routes. Quickly save it. Now we need to create a BOM for this product. So by these more options, here you have an option to create the BOM. You can also create the BOM for this, a new bill of material for this product by clicking on new. Here you can add the components for this product. So I'm adding wooden panel as my component. Table leg as the components and screw. So you have defined the components for this product. You can add the quantities. So I need to manufacture say 300 quantities in a bulk. This product we need to define the operations. So you're in the operations tab. We will create the operation. So one would be the drilling. Selecting the work center as drill 1. Save and close. Now I will define another operation as the assembling. Selecting assembly 1 as a work center for this and saving it. So once you have defined the operations, you have added the components, you have added the quantities, now you just need to click on save and the BOM for the product wooden table is created. So now we will move to our sales module to create a sales order. We will create a new one. Let's suppose we have an order for the customer Abigail Peterson here. So I'm adding customer as Abigail Peterson. Here in the product, I am adding wooden table as my product. In the quantities as 300. You can define the unit price for this product from here. I'm adding 2000. and we can quickly confirm this quotation to a sales order. So here you can see when it is confirmed to a sales order, our manufacturing order is triggered because we have enabled the routes for replenish to order. So open this manufacturing order, and here you can see the components are there. We need to produce 300 quantities. So I will click on plan. Now once we have planned this manufacturing order, we need to click on this produce all. Now as we have tracked this product through the unique serial number, so we need to assign the serial numbers to the 300 products. So here you can mention the first lot of serial number, so I'm just adding 001 here, and when we click on this generate, 300 serial numbers for the products will be generated automatically, and then we just need to click on this produce.
Now once you have clicked on that produce for the components, here you can see 300 back orders have been triggered. Last step, you just need to click on this produce all. Now once we have manufactured all our 300 units, we will just move back to our sales order. Sales order, here you can see a manufacturing smart button with a 300 as in count, so simply click on that. So here are the 300 MOs created, which is our mass production. So we'll just simply select all and we click on this plan. You can see when we have produced all these MOs, so here the state or the status for these MOs have been changed to done from the in progress. Now we move back to our sales. Now we just open this wooden table product and we'll just have a look at the offhand quantity for it. So here you can see the 300 quantities have been manufactured and the on-hand quantity is 300. So we'll quickly move back to our sales order, and now for this particular sales order, we need to validate the delivery. So there are two options to validate the delivery. One is this delivery's hand button, and the another way is to validate this delivery from the inventory module. So we'll just open our inventory module in our database, and here on the inventory dashboard you can see the delivery orders. So you need to click on this, and we just need to find this is our sales order. You can find this from the source document, our sales order number. So I'll just open it. Here you can see the demand and the quantity, and here you just need to validate it. Here you can see the status has been changed for this delivery from ready to be done. So in this way, from our warehouse, the delivery to this particular customer, Abigail Peterson, is done. So this was the whole flow for the master production. In this way, mass production happens from the demand to the supply. I hope this video was helpful to you. Stay tuned for our next videos. Thank you.